Good afternoon, students. Today we'll solve some of the problems based on that binomial expansion what we have discussed in the previous class. As I said, that theorem is very important, that compulsory it will come for 5 marks in your board examination. See, based on that problems we'll solve in this today's class. See, we know that expansion you need to remember that expansion is a plus b whole power n is equal to nc naught a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 into b plus nc2 a power n minus 2 into b square plus so on. In the middle somewhere ncr a power n minus r into b power r plus so on ncn minus 1 into a into b power n minus 1 plus ncn b power n. So this is the binomial expansion a plus b whole power n, that you need to remember that formula. So as if you observe index n, that means number of terms will be n plus 1 terms, and when it comes to binomial quotients it will start from nc0, nc1, nc2 so on. In the middle somewhere that middle term ncr, next last ncn minus 1 and ncn. So these are binomial coefficients. What are binomial coefficients? The coefficients before these terms nc0, nc1, nc2. So those are binomial coefficients. In the expansion of a plus b whole power n, how many number of binomial coefficients? N plus 1 binomial coefficients. The expansion of x plus y whole power 7, how many number of binomial coefficients? As like number of times, number of binomial coefficients are 8. Now another thing, a power n, index n means first will be a power n, next a power n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus r, so on. This is 1 and this is 0. Next b value, here 0, next here 1, power here 2, next 3, so on, n minus 1 up to n. So this is a general formula. Now from this formula, what about a minus b whole power n? What about a minus b whole power n? So this a plus b whole power n. What about a minus b whole power n? So that a minus b whole power n we can write as a plus of minus b whole power n. Can we write like this? See, minus b we can write plus into minus, right? So now it is converted in terms of a plus b whole power n, right? So now wherever b is there, in that place of b we need to put minus b. So it will be nc naught a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 into minus b, in the place of b minus b, plus nc2 a power n minus 2 into minus b whole square plus so on ncr a power n minus r into minus b power r plus so on ncn minus 1 a into minus b whole power n minus 1, next plus ncn minus b whole power n. If you observe this will become nc naught a power n plus into minus nc1 a power n minus 1 into b. Next, this is minus b whole square. Minus b whole square is plus b square only. So it will be nc2 a power n minus 2 into b square plus so on ncr a power n minus r into minus b whole power r. Here if this r is odd number means it will become negative. If r is even number means it will become positive. Plus this same step ncn minus 1 a into minus b whole power n minus 1 plus ncn minus b whole power n. So this is based on whether that n is even or odd, based on that value. So we will get that plus or minus n. So this is about what? A minus b whole power n. If you observe plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus symbols will be there, right? And another thing, if you observe for this odd even numbers like 0, 2 and also for 4, 6, for 8, for all those again plus signs will be there. For odd numbers nc1, nc3, nc5, for all those negative signs will be there. So this is about the a minus b whole power n. Now here if we consider from this a plus b whole power n, if we consider a equal to 1 and b equal to x, if we consider a equal to 1 and b equal to x, then that a plus b whole power n will convert into 1 plus x whole power n. Now we expand this 1 plus x whole power n. That means instead of a what we need to substitute 1, instead of b what we need to substitute x. Let us simplify that. that is NC naught a power n, nothing but 1 power n. What is 1 power n? 1 power n thing is 1 only, plus NC1 a power 1 minus 1, nothing but 1 power, anything is 1 into b. What is b here? X, plus NC2 1 power, anything is 1 into b square, nothing but x square, plus so on. NCn minus 1 into x power n minus 1 plus NCn x power n, nothing but in the place of b you need to substitute x. So this will become 1 plus x whole power n is equal to NC naught, that 1 I will write it as x power 0, we can write anything power 0 is equal to 1, plus NC1 x plus NC2 1 into x square is x square, plus so on. NCn minus 1 into x power n minus 1 plus NCn into x power n. If you observe in this 1 plus x whole power n, so the binomial coefficients NC0, NC1, NC2, so on. X power also same, x power 0, x power 1, x power 2, so on like this. So this is about 1 plus x whole power n. Now what about 1 minus x whole power n? What about 1 minus x whole power n? Now instead of x what we need to substitute is minus x, as like this. So we can write 1 plus of minus x whole power n. Now in the place of x what we need to substitute? Minus x we need to substitute. So it will become NC naught. So anything power 0 is 1, no? So this is x naught or nothing but 1, plus NC1 in the place of x we need to substitute minus x, plus NC2 minus x whole square, plus so on. NCn minus 1 minus x whole power n minus 1 plus NCn minus x whole power n. So now it will be 1 minus x whole power n is equal to NC naught minus NC1 into x plus NC2 into x square minus NC3 into x cube plus NC4 into x power 4 minus NC5 into x power 5 plus so on. Here also if you observe, for the even binomial coefficients NC0, NC2, NC4, NC6, NC8, those you will get positive terms. When it comes to odd binomial coefficients NC1, NC3, NC5, so on, for those you will get negative sign. So these four are very important. One is a plus b whole power n, and again next is a minus b whole power n, next 1 plus x whole power n, and the one is 1 minus x whole power n. See, based on this we will get two formulas. We will get two formulas based on binomial coefficients. So until then pause the video to note it down. Now in these two terms, one is 1 plus x whole power n and 1 minus x whole power n. If you substitute x is equal to 1, if you substitute x is equal to 1 in the first formula, what we will get, let us see. So it will become 1 plus 1 whole power n, right? 1 plus 1 whole power n, which is equal to NC naught. In the place of x what we need to substitute is 1. So 1 power 0 is nothing but 1 plus NC1 in the place of x is 1. So NC1 plus NC2, 1 square is, so whatever it may be, x value 1 is 1, right? So 1 square, 1 cube, 1 power, anything is 1 only. So we can write as NC2 plus NC3 plus NC4 plus so on up to NCn. Now here one thing you can observe, which is equal to 2 power n, nothing but 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2 power n. That means sum of all binomial coefficients. What you can observe here is sum of all binomial coefficients. Sum of all binomial coefficients is equal to what? Formula is 2 power n. Sum of all binomial coefficients is equal to 2 power n. See, for example, how they will ask questions based on this. So they will give like a plus b whole power 5. So in the expansion of, they will ask like in the expansion of a plus b whole power 5, sum of binomial coefficients. What are sum of binomial coefficients? See, if they ask her like that, see, no need to solve like see 5c0 plus 5c1 plus 5c2, so on like that. So directly write the formula. Sum of all binomial coefficients is equal to 2 power n. What is n? That index. Nothing but 2 power 5. What is 2 power 5? 32. So that 2 power 5, that 32 will be the sum of our binomial coefficients in the expansion of a plus b whole power 5. Like that. Next, in the place of x, what you need to substitute is minus 1. Nothing but in the place of x, what you need to substitute is minus 1. So in the 1 plus x whole power n, what you have substitute? X equal to 1. So we got formula sum of all binomial coefficients. Next, in the place of x, if you substitute minus 1, then what will get? Let us see. So 1 minus 1 whole power n, x place only minus 1. Next, nc 0 in the place of x minus 1. So anything power 0, 1 only. Let us do. Plus nc 1 in the place of x minus 1. Plus nc2 minus 1 whole square. Plus nc3 minus 1 whole cube. Plus so on ncn minus 1 whole power n. Now if you observe, if you simplify this, 1 minus 1 is what? 0. 0 power anything is equal to 0. Next, nc naught minus 1 into plus is minus nc1. Minus 1 whole square is plus, so plus nc2. Minus 1 whole cube is minus, so minus nc3. Plus nc4 minus nc5, so on. So that means from this expression, what we can write is that those minus terms you bring it left side, so remaining positive terms you keep it like that. Then it will become nc1 plus nc3 plus nc5 plus so on is equal to nc2 plus nc4 plus nc6 plus so on. That means what you can understand from this expression is sum of all odd binomial coefficients. Sum of all odd binomial coefficients. Sum of all odd binomial coefficients is equal to sum of all even binomial coefficients. Sum of all even binomial coefficients. Right? So first one what we got is sum of all binomial coefficients is equal to 2 power n. So next one is by using x equal to minus 1, what we got? Sum of all odd binomial coefficients is equal to sum of all even binomial coefficients. So those 2 points you need to remember. Pause 0 to note it down. Now we will solve some of the problems based on this binomial expansion. So in that first one is expand x square minus 3x whole power 4. Expand x square minus 3 by x whole power 4 where x not equal to 0. So here no need to apply the direct formula, but by using binomial expansion we need to simplify. Why? Because this question is based on that. No? So first of all we write, we know that a plus b whole power n is equals to nc naught a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 into b plus nc2 a power n minus 2 into b square plus so on ncn b power n. You need to remember this formula at any cost. See a plus b whole power n formula. Now what is a here? Here according to given a is equal to x square. According to given a is equal to x square and b is equal to what? Minus 3 by x. A is equal to x square, b equal to minus 3 by x, and n is equal to what? N is equal to 4 they have given. Now instead of a value, b value and n value we will substitute these values. That's it. So a plus b whole power n will become x square minus 3 by x whole power 4, which is equal to what is n? N is 4. What is a? A is x square. What is b? B is minus 3 by x. So substitute those values. 4c0 x square power 4 plus 4c1 x square power n minus 1, nothing but 4 minus 1, 3 into b. What is b? B is minus 3 by x plus 4 nc2 means 4c2 x square power 4 minus 2 into minus 3 by x whole square plus 4c3 x square power 4 minus 3 nothing but 1 into minus 3 by x into whole cube plus 4c4 x square power 0 into minus 3 by x whole power 4. So like that we need to expand. After that we need to simplify. We know that any c0 value is 1, right? So 1 into x square whole power 4 is x power 8. Next, minus into plus is minus 4c1. 4c1 value is 4. 5c1 value 5. 10c1 10. nc1 n. Right? Remember those. Now x square whole cube is 2 3's how much? 2 3 6. X power 6 into 3 by x plus 4c2 value. How to find 4c2? 4 you decrease 2 times and 2 also. So which is 6. So this will become 6. X square whole square is x power 4 into minus 3 whole square is plus 9 divided by x square. This is a minus whole cube means minus into plus is minus 4c3. We know that 4c3 is also equal to 4c1. What is 4c1 value? 4. So this value is also 4 into x square whole power n is x square into 3 cube. 3 cube is 27 divided by x cube. Next, plus if n is equal to r, that value is also 1. Anything power 0 is 1. So minus 3 power 4. What is minus 3 power 4? 3 square 9, 9 square 27. That is 81 by x power 4. Now still we need to simplify. So this is x power 8. 4 3's minus 12. X power 6 by x is x power 5. Next, 6 9's 54. X power 4 by x square is x square. Next, minus 4 27's, which is equal to 108. So minus 108 x square by x cube is by x plus 81 by x power 4. This is very simple. By using this formula a plus b whole power and that expansion, so we need to substitute a value, b value and n value. That's it. After that we need to simplify. We should not leave that binomial coefficients as it is. We need to write that binomial coefficient values also. That's it. Like this problems also they will ask for 2 marks. Next question is compute 98 power 5. Compute is nothing but we need to simplify like this one. See, note down this. See, they given question like compute 98 power 5. Nothing but by using binomial expansion. By using binomial expansion, we need to simplify that value. So in question they will mention compulsory by using binomial theorem or binomial expansion. Simplify or find the value of 98 power 5. Binomial expansion is nothing but a plus b whole power n. In that formula we write. So here also we write, we know that a plus b whole power n is equal to nc naught a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 into b plus nc2 a power n minus 2 into b square plus so on nc n minus 1 a into b power n minus 1 plus nc n into b power n. This is what we know. After that, according to given that 98 power 5 we can write as 100 minus 2 whole power 5. We can write or not. Then what will be the values of a? A will be 100, b will be minus 2. What is n? N is equal to 5. If you know those three values, you can substitute and simplify or not? Yes, we can. No. So in that expansion, nc naught, what is n? 5. So it will become 5c naught a power n. What is a? 100. 100 power 5. In the place of n, you need to substitute, right? You understand, I think. So those values you substitute and simplify. Next, nc1, nothing but 5c1, 100 power 5 minus 1. So which is 4 into b. What is b? Minus 2. B value is minus 2. Next, plus 5c2, 100 power 5 minus 2 is 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 5c3, 100 power 100 square into minus 2 whole cube plus 5c4, 100 into minus 2 power 4 plus 5c5, 100 power 0 into minus 2 power 5. Now we simplify. What is 5c naught? Any c naught value is 1. Now 100 power 5. So you will get here 2 zeros is there into 5. So we'll get 10 zeros. Please count it and write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Plus 5C1. 5C1 value 5 into 100 power 0. 4 zeros are, 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros into 4 will get 8 zeros. Count and write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into minus 2. Next plus 5C2 value. What is 5C2 value? How we can simplify? 5 you decrease 2 times and also 2, so which is equal to 10. So 5C2 value 10. So 10 into 100 power 3, it means 3 into 2 zeros. 3 to 6 zeros it will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into minus 2 whole power 4 is my whole square is 4 plus 5C3 value. What is 5C3 value? 5 you decrease 3 times. 5, 4, 3 into 3 also you decrease. 3 into 2 into 1. So 3, 3 cancel. 2 2s are, which is also equal to 10. So 10 into 100 square is 10,000 into minus 2 whole cube is minus 8. Next plus 5C4. 5C4 is also equal to 5C1, which is equal to 5. So 5 into 100 into minus 2 whole power 4. So 2 power 4 is 16. So this is 16. Next plus 5C5 value is 1. 1 into minus 2 power 5 is minus 32. So which will be equal to see, this is 10 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next 5 to 10, right? So minus 10 into 8 zeros will become 9 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 4 into 10, 40. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 6 into 1 is 7 zeros. We will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, this is minus 80, 10, 10, 80. So 4 zeros into 1 zero, we will get 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, this is see 5 tens. This is 80. 80 into 100. Sorry, 80 into 100 will get plus 8,000. So minus 32. We simplify here and write that value. What we will get? This is 9039207968. So you simplify and write. So directly you will get 9039207968. So this is about to simplify these values by using binomial expansion without multiplying. So actually 98 power 5 we can write as 98 into 98 into 98. But they will ask to find that value by using binomial expansion. Why? Because whether this process is correct or not we can check, right? If 98 power 5 is equal to this one, this process is also correct. So for that purpose they will ask to prove by using binomial expansion. And next we will solve the last problem of this section. That is, see, first of all copy this. So now the question is, which of the following is larger, they will ask. Which of the following is larger? For example, see, the question is very important question and also very logical question, you need to remember. Which of them is larger? Which of them is larger? That means 1.01 whole power 6 or 10,000. Which of them is larger? See, first one value is 1.01 whole to the power of 10 lakhs. 1.01 whole to the power of 10 lakhs is more value or 10,000 is more. If they are given for MCQs, what you will write directly is, but actually, if you have an idea about this, you can write. Otherwise, what you will write? See, directly 1 power na. See, 1 power 1 means very small value you will get, like that you will think. But here 10,000 will be there. So option you will put, that is 10,000. Option you will put 10,000. But when comes to by using binomial expansion, we can prove that this is more value. 1 power 01 power 10 lakhs is more when compared to 10,000. See, let us solve this. So first we will consider 1.01 whole power 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. By using binomial expansion, this 1.01 we can write it as 1 plus 01 whole to the power of this 10 lakhs. Oh, so nothing but we can write like this or not. 1.01 we can write 1 plus 01. So this will be in the form of a plus b whole power n, right? In the form of a plus b whole power n. We know that formula nc naught a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1, so on like that. So by using that formula we will expand this and we will prove. So it will be equal to 60c1 first one nc naught a power n. What is a? 1 power. 1 power is 6 zeros plus c1 into 1 to the power of this one minus 1, right? So this one minus 1, so into what is this? 0.1, nothing but this is 0.01, right? So 0.01 whole to the power of 1. Next one will be 3, 4, 5, 6 c2 1 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 2 into 0.01 whole square plus so on will be there, right or not? Plus so on. If you observe any term, each and every term we will get positive one. Each and every term we will get positive one. See why? Because here plus terms will be there. If it is a plus b whole power 1 means all will be plus only. If all will be plus means all will be positive terms only. See here one thing you can observe. Anything c0 value is 1. 1 into anything, 1 power anything is also 1. That means this total value is equal to 1 plus. What was the value of 2c1? 2 only. 5c1? 5 only. Like that, this 1 into this 60 c1 is equal to that same value. Right or not? So c1 is there means this value only it will be. Next, 1 to the power of anything is 1 only into 0.01 into whole to the power of 1 is 0.01 plus I will write it as positive terms. So remaining all I will consider as positive terms. Why? Because we don't need the total expansion. What we need is which one is more we need to write. Right? So for that remaining terms I will consider as positive terms. Did you understand why positive? Why? Because everything is positive now, definitely we will get positive terms. Now this 1 plus 0.01 into 1 into the 6 zeros will become this 2 zeros will get minus, so it will become 1, 2, 3, 4 plus positive terms. Plus positive terms. So it will become 10,001. It will become 10,001 plus positive terms. 10,001 plus positive terms, which always is greater than 10,000 or not. So here what you can prove easily is this 1.01 you convert as 1 plus 0.01 whole power n. So that a plus b whole power n, in that n value this one you substitute, a value 1, b value 0.01. Here what we need to prove is this one is greater or this one is greater. To prove this greater value, we will consider first two terms. Why? Because those first two terms is enough to tell which value is greater. So first value is 1, next value is this 10 lakhs, next value is 10 lakhs into 0.01 which gives 10,000 plus remaining positive terms. We got 10,001 plus positive terms. 10,001 plus positive terms will be always greater than 10,000, so it won't become less than. So therefore 1.01 whole to the power of 10 lakhs is larger value or is larger than 10,000. Larger than 10,000. See now based on this today's session I will do some assignment questions. Those you solve and send through WhatsApp. If you have any doubts you can ask. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.